Let's go live on Clubhouse before Clubhouse is like, where you at? Where you at? Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Let's go. Start the room. Post here. Pin comments. Okay. I think we are good to go. Yes, it's 11 o'clock. I'm so proud of myself today. Those on Facebook, welcome. Please share. Those on Instagram, thank you all so much for joining. Welcome to one scholarship a day, 9 scholarship workshops in progress. That is what we are going to be talking about today. Those on Clubhouse, welcome. Hello, Adebayo. Welcome. Thank you all so much for joining me. It's another day for us to talk scholarships, and studying abroad. Okay, let's talk scholarships. How are y'all doing though? How is everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are y'all doing? I hope everyone is fine. I hope you all are healthy. And I hope you and your family, everyone is keeping well. Okay, let us get right into it. I still have my things everywhere, so I need a pen and a paper in order to take notes. Okay, today is October 20th. Okay, so y'all know I also take notes when I come to on one scholarship a day because I need the notes. I have to work with y'all, so most times I always keep notes to make sure that everybody that I have to give out quick scholarships to, I have a quick reference to give them scholarships. Alrighty, let's get to our topic for today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Thank you all so much for joining me. My name is Sylvie, and I am the founder of LearnHowToGetAScholarship.com. LearnHowToGetAScholarship.com is a website where we curate scholarships for international students, and we prepare students to apply for scholarships. We do that through group classes, through one-on-one classes, through stand-alone services, and most recently through workshops that I'm so excited to tell you all about. I cannot wait to work with you all. I've been working 24 hours 7 prepping for this particular workshops. So I'm just going to give you all a bit of information about the workshops, then we are going to get to our scholarship for today. Okay, so everybody, we are going to have 3 workshops. Our first workshop is going to be on October 30th to 31st. Then the second one, a date still to be decided, mid-November. And then the third one is going to be at the end of November. Why are we doing it on these dates? Because the scholarships that we'll be prepping you all to apply for, their deadlines begin in December. So we want to prep you all, make sure you have everything to apply for the scholarships before December, because we need you all to submit the applications before the deadline. You all know that scholarships are very strict when it comes to deadlines. They respect their deadlines, and they make sure that everyone who is applying respects their deadlines. Okay, so it's extremely important that we finish this prepping you all to apply for the applications before we get to the dates, the deadlines, right? So let me just give you all some information about the scholarships that we will be working on. Bachelor students will be working on the Lester B. Pearson scholarships for international students to Canada. We are also going to be working on the University of British Columbia scholarships to Canada, and we are going to be working on the Emile Botmy scholarships for international students to France. 3 scholarships for bachelor students. All these scholarships are fully funded, by the way, just to make sure that you all know. Master students, do you have a bachelor's and you want to go do your master's? We are going to be working on 3 scholarships. The Oxford Wedenfield Scholarship for international students to the UK. We'll work on the Eric Blooming Fund, a scholarship for international students to the Netherlands. And we are going to work on the Yechin Academy scholarships to China. So master students, those are the 3 scholarships we are going to work on, okay? And then PhD students, we are going to work on 3 scholarships. The Swiss government scholarship. This is a scholarship for international students to go study in Switzerland. We are going to work on the Gates Cambridge scholarship, a scholarship for international students to the UK. And then the last one is going to be the PhD in Peace Studies, which is a scholarship for international students to the US. Okay, I know some of you all may be thinking, I don't want to go do peace studies. Well, calm down. This is actually a scholarship that is for students within social sciences, so political science, sociology, anthropology. All of you are welcome to join this particular scholarship. Okay, so you all are welcome to join this particular scholarship, apply for this particular scholarship. So PhD students, 3 scholarships, 1 to Switzerland, 1 to the UK, 1 to the US. Okay, that's what we'll be working on. So right now, if you go to my Twitter If you go to my Instagram account, you're going to find the link that is going to help you. It's the link in my bio. It's going to help you sign up for the workshop. So everybody, y'all go sign up. And I'm going to be taking, because this is the first time we are doing it and I really want it to be thorough. So I'm taking just 10 students at the bachelor level, 10 students at the master's level, and 10 students at the PhD level, okay? Because it's extremely important that I make it thorough as possible, make sure that we get to the work. It's going to be a lot of hard work, you guys, so y'all definitely go sign up. Alrighty, that's about it. If you need more information, my DMs are open. Feel free to DM me on Instagram. Let's get to our one scholarship of the day for today. I'm so excited because our scholarship for today, we are going to be talking about a scholarship to the Netherlands, okay? And y'all already know the drill. If you're joining one scholarship a day, 3 things that you have to do. For those on Clubhouse, click that tiny house above my head, go and follow the club. Secondly, the link to the scholarship is going to be shared on Twitter. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. That's where you find the link to the scholarship. And thirdly, I'm going to take a screenshot of the official page of the scholarship. I'll put it on my Instagram story. So you want to to make sure you are on the right page. That is important. And secondly, follow the Scholarship Prep Academy page, because on Instagram stories, what happens? The stories disappear after 24 hours, right? But on the Scholarship Prep Academy page, that you're going to come back later on to check to make sure you're on the right website, and it's still going to be there. So follow the Scholarship Prep Academy page on Instagram. Let's get to our scholarship for today. I'm so excited to talk to you all about this because it's a scholarship for master's and bachelor students. Don't we love it? I always say that each time I find scholarships for bachelor students, I'm always like, yes, because it always costs an arm and a leg to find scholarship for bachelor students, right? It's always just like, what am I doing? I can't find scholarships for international students for bachelor students. So it's always hard to find money for bachelor students. Alrighty, so let us talk about our scholarship for today. This is a scholarship at the University of Twente. It's called the University of Twente Scholarships. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this word Twente correctly. It's Twente, okay? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not, heck yeah, anyone who knows can correct me, okay? So it's a University of Twente Scholarships. Oh, actually, this one is for master students. This is actually a scholarship just for master students. I'm sorry, bachelor students. I got it confused with some other scholarship. All right, this is a scholarship for master students to go study at the University of Twente in the Netherlands. The deadline for this scholarship is the 1st of February 2022. So guess what? You have a long time to prep all your things to apply for this scholarship. There's no reason why you shouldn't apply. There is no reason why you shouldn't apply, because the scholarship is there. You have a long time to prep everything. 1st of February 2022. That is your deadline to apply. So you have a long time to prep your things, okay? So it's this, let us go to the fields of study. I know many people when you all always reach out to me, I am an engineering student, I am a this student, and it's always just like, okay, sometimes that's not really what matters, but here they have it. So let's talk about it. So the fields that they are going to be supporting, we have applied mathematics, applied physics, biomedical engineering, business administration, business information and tech, chemical engineering, civil engineering, communication science, computer science, construction management and engineering, educational and science tech, electrical engineering, embedded sciences, environmental and energy management, electrical engineering, embedded systems, European studies, health sciences, industrial design engineering, interaction technology, mechanical engineering, nanotechnology, philosophy of science, psychology, public administration, sustainable energy tech, and systems and control. Wow. So this leans a lot towards towards the sciences. Well, there's business administration there, there's psychology there, but it is actually all the programs that are offered at the university. So it doesn't matter what you want to study, you can definitely go ahead and apply for this particular scholarship, okay? How many slots are we talking about? They say they have approximately 50 slots. That's a good number. That's a good number. Of course, this is open for international students from all across the world. So of course, you are going to be competing with people from all parts of the world, but 50 is not a small number. 50 is not small, okay? So let's get to the money. Where the money resides, where the money resides, where the money resides. How much are we talking about though? You all know that is always my question, right? How much are we going to get? So the scholarship value, it says that it ranges from 3,000 euro to 22,000 euro for 1 year. So that is the amount that they're going to be providing for students who apply for the scholarships. For this scholarship, the amount is going to range from 3,000 euro to 22,000 euro for 1 year. In case of a 2-year study program, students can receive an additional UTS of an amount equal to that of the first year when they meet the process requirements for the UTS. What they are trying to say here is that this is a scholarship that if your master's is 2 years, there are requirements for this scholarship to be renewed. And most times when you have this kind of requirements, it's like you need to maintain a particular GPA, you need to make sure that your grades are in a particular category, and if you maintain that, you will be able to get that same scholarship the next year. So master students, most master's programs are 2 years, right? So if you want that your program should be funded for this 2 years, you need to keep your grades up. Of course, there's the eligibility to apply for it. You all can go ahead and read it out, but this is a scholarship for master students to go study in the Netherlands. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and tweet out the link to the scholarship. For those on Instagram, if you have any question, please put it in the comment section. For those on Clubhouse, if you have a question, please raise your hand, come up on stage and we can chit chat. And for those on Facebook, if you have a question, put it in the comment section and I am going to be happy to answer your questions. So I'm going to tweet out the link to the scholarship right now because it's always extremely important that we tweet out the link to the scholarship because you need it, right? You need it. That is what you need to go read more information about the scholarship to see if you're going to be applying for it or not, right? You need it. So let me tweet out the link to the scholarship. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. Those are the rules of engagement. Those are the rules of engagement. So you can get to the link of the scholarship. And I've seen some people tell me, oh, send me the link because I'm not on Twitter. And I'm like, really? People really are really bold out here. If you know how much work goes into what I do, you're not going to sit with your legs crossed on your phone, probably with legs stretched out, and tell me, oh, send me the link because I am not on Twitter. Like, what am I supposed to do with that information? Really, I should go do the research, get the scholarship, and then I come and then I present it to you, and not where I normally keep it, but I should send it to you personally. And I'm like, wow. The nerve. Oh man. Some people can sometimes be really what's the word? People can sometimes be very I've forgotten the word, but it's like, no, you have to work for something. To create a Twitter account is not that hard. I really have to sit and send the link to you because you don't feel like being on Twitter? Really? I have to accommodate that? Nah. Okay, I tweeted out the link to the scholarship, University of Twente Scholarships for international students to the Netherlands. I've tweeted it out, master students. Go check it out, go check it out. Thank you all so much for joining me. I don't see any hand raised on Clubhouse, so everyone is good. On Facebook, I don't see any questions in the comment section, so everyone is good. And on Instagram, I don't see any questions in the comment section, so I take that as everyone is good. Go check out our scholarship. And I always say, sometimes the scholarship is not for you. If the scholarship is not for you, please be a vessel. Spread the information to a friend, a brother, a sister, an auntie, an uncle, someone in your local church, someone in your local community, some smart kid on the block. Pull the kid aside and tell them that, oh, do you know that there are scholarships? You can apply and you can go study abroad for free. Do you know that you can do that? Maybe that information is not for you, so spread it out to those people. And also, you guys, I have a YouTube channel. If you don't know that today. If you don't know that today. When you go to the good thing about the YouTube channel is that when I come on one scholarship a day, yesterday our scholarship was at the bachelor level. Today our scholarship is at the master's level. And on Monday, our scholarship was for professionals, right? So it is very haphazard. But when you go to the page on to to the YouTube channel, what I do is that I arrange everything into tiny boxes. Scholarships for bachelor students, scholarships for master students, scholarships for PhD students. So it is very organized on YouTube. So you all definitely go check out the YouTube channel. When you go there, subscribe, and as well as recommend it to a friend, a brother, a sister, an auntie, and uncle. And also, if you have some local schools that maybe they want to like tell their students about studying abroad opportunities, please do also talk to them about the channel. I have a lot of information there. They can go check it out. Thank you all so much. Remember, the link is on Twitter. And our scholarship for today, October 20th, was the University of Twente Scholarships for international students to the Netherlands. You all go check it out. My DMs are always open. Feel free to DM me if you have a question on Instagram. You guys, I am slow to respond on all platforms, especially Clubhouse. It's so hard for me to respond to people on Clubhouse. I'm just looking at my inbox. I have like how many messages in my inbox, and I haven't responded to them because it's so hard for me to get to my inbox here on Clubhouse. So everybody, if you have a question, feel free to DM me. The link to the scholarship is on my Twitter feed. I'm going to take a screenshot of the official page of the scholarship and I'll put it in my Instagram story. So do well to follow me on Instagram and check out my Instagram stories. And because Instagram stories disappears after 24 hours, I'm going to put that official page of the scholarship on the Scholarship Prep Academy page. Remember, we are going to have 9 workshops to prep you all to apply for scholarships. That the deadlines are in December, and the links to all of these workshops, it's in the link in my bio on Instagram. Okay, so everybody, bachelor students, we are going to be preparing you to apply for 3 fully funded scholarships. Master students will be prepping you to apply for 3 fully funded scholarships, and PhD students, we will be preparing you to apply for 3 fully funded scholarships. Y'all already know I have a team. I'm in charge of scholarship curation. We have another person on the team who is going to be working with you all for your research proposal. We have another person on the team who is going to be working with you for your essays, because there is no scholarship that goes through without you needing your essays and then needing your research proposal, right? And then the last thing, we have someone on the team who is going to be working to fix your CV to make sure that your CVs are looking proper when you all apply for those scholarships, especially PhD students, where you have to reach out to various professors in order to create that first initial contact, right? We need to make sure that CVs are looking good. So if you go to Instagram, you're going to find the link there. Go sign up. I'm going to be taking just 10 students at the bachelor level, 10 students at the master's level, and 10 students at the PhD level, because I want to keep it very, very proper. I want to make sure that we don't get a situation where I want to make sure that we don't get a situation where people do not get a lot of value. So I want to keep it a very small group so that we can really work with you all, like drilling to make sure everyone. And it's a lot of hard work, you guys. It's a lot of hard work, because my sweet timeline for applying for scholarships is always 1 year. But here we are doing this because these scholarships, the deadlines are in December, right? Here we are doing this in a period of almost 2 months, right? So it's going to be a lot of hard work, okay? If you want to work hard and apply for fully funded scholarships, go sign up. If you don't want to work hard, don't waste your money, because that's not what we are about. It's about a lot of hard work. Thank you all so much. I'm going to see you all tomorrow. Y'all take care now. Bye everybody. Cheers.